I think this looks really cool. A Corvette drifting. Pretty neat, and hey, some tandem drifting. That looks cool too. Why don't we look into this further and see what's going on? Here we go. Welcome to Road Odyssey, and thank you for checking out this video. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe, and if you're on Rumble, please follow. On June 17th, man, a very long day at Redline Raceway for the Drift and Drag event. All kinds of good and groovy things going on. Drifting, you could actually get trained. You could rent a car and drift yourself. There was drag racing, and there might have been more. They said red battles and stuff. I did not stay for any of that, but there were ride-outs as well that I will have mine in this video at the very end. All of this wonderful stuff was initiated by urban racing, quote unquote, taking it off the streets since 2018. Really cool group. So they have a YouTube channel, they have a Facebook page, they have Instagram, they have a website. I highly recommend checking out all of the above. Really, really cool stuff. And a great big thank you to Redline Raceway. They are in, I guess you'd say, kind of northeast Texas on I-30, Caddo Mills. And another big thank you to one of the sponsors, Park Up Front. They are a cell phone app. You see the little crown there at the bottom of my icons. And they are a really cool cell phone app to go out and hit a lot of car-related events. So be sure and check out that app. Redline Raceway. It has gone through some different names, but like I-30 Dragway. But anyway, this is the pit area for the drag strip, but that's where they did all this drifting. Several of the drift cars just drove on their own out to the event, while there were some that were trailered. And that was a great car right there. Send It Sean, a superb drifter. He did a fantastic job, and you will see more of him later on. A quick look at the drivers' meeting, very informal but serious. And seriously, they walked the track before driving. And what is drifting without a lot of spin-outs? I have cherry-picked some of the very best runs for you. Yes, there was tandem drifting as well. You have reached the end of this video, sort of. Now, I hope you enjoyed all the tandem and just the regular drifting. They were really, really fun to watch, and it inspired me. I really want to get out and drift myself. But one baby step at a time. I'll probably never do it, but it's fun to watch. And at the end of this video, literally, is going to be my ride out. So please be looking for that in just a minute here. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Thank you very much to Urban Racing. Please be sure to check out their Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, website, all that good stuff. They hope to have a lot of fun events in the future. I am so glad that Urban Racing supports these ride-alongs. They are really well worth it. And yep, there were a ton of people that went on ride-outs. Really fun stuff. I did my ride-out because I sat there and really analyzed who I thought was the #1 driver. Well, look up Send It Sean, a super, super cool guy. Lots of fun and just had a big heart. He really did a great job.
What is your name again?
Perk Sean. Sean.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
So we're gonna try to go to the left side of the pole this time. Oh, I told you.
Sean had a fantastic work ethic. Yes, this is a lot of playing, but it's work, especially when the tire blows out and you got to change it. Luckily, a really good friend showed up and helped him out. They were wonderful people. Thank you so much.